Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Let's begin with the tutorial on open your Chrome. Launch your Chrome on your computer. Click on the three dot icon on the top right corner. Go to privacy, select settings from the drop down menu. Go to privacy and security. In the left hand menu, click on privacy and security. Click on site settings. Under the privacy and security section, click on site settings. Find Java settings. Scroll down on JavaScript. Enable JavaScript. You'll see an option that says allowed. Ensure this option is selected to enable JavaScript. These settings allow all sites to run JavaScript by default. If you want to block JavaScript for specific sites, you can add them under not allowed to use JavaScript by clicking add and entering the URL of the site you want to block. After adjusting your settings, you can close the setting tab. Changes will be affected immediately.